Today is January 29th, and it's Hope's 4th week birthday. Ozzy went to the river when he left. So Mama and Baby are up in the tree. And I forgot my tripod. Looks like the babies are sleeping right now. This will be short because I can't see the babies. They were out there quite a while. A lot of visitors here again today. They've all been nice. There was a lady waving her red shirt. I hope everyone saw her. Lots of people sitting over by the church today. Hopefully Ozzy will come back with these soon. Okay, that's it for now.